Hey ladies, so I was looking back at some of my YouTube videos and I realized that I haven't really kept my promise in the vaginal monologues. And I actually really enjoy doing them. So, what are vaginal monologues? Is pretty much a one-way conversation where you are speaking from a particular perspective. In this case, is vaginal monologue. So it's coming from the perspective of your vajayjay, your vagina, okay? So it's really cool and it's really fun to do. So I'm going to do one that I'm just gonna make up on the spot. And this one is called Party Time. And it goes like this. Up, down, you always moving around, not even realizing that this is your main ground. You want to party all the time and stepping out, thinking everything's gonna be fine, but I'm not on time. You think that this is all fun and games, but you don't even know you have something up in your gates. Look at you going about your business, forgetting that you are about to get hit with the business. I think you actually a few months along. Really? What? You think that I wouldn't know? I told you last time that wasn't the man for you, but hey, who am I? I'm just a V. What? Who cares, right? There you go to another party, meeting another person. There he goes, coming inside of me. I'm not liking it, but hey, you want to keep going. You want to keep moving. You want to keep partying, forgetting what's going on inside of me. I get it. I understand. But I'm about fed up of your game. So how about we chill out and kind of figure out what's going on inside of you before you end up feeling the ground. Violating me is not the way to go. I reject whatever I don't want inside of me. I need you to know. So, all of this running around and not giving a damn about me is only going to affect you, hey, and maybe me too. But all this partying is bringing you something, but it ain't serving me. Then there's really no party. All right, guys. So, yes, that was my total random monologue. I actually have one that I did on my YouTube channel about my first period, and that was hilarious. When we had the women's event last year in March, I did another one there about Mr. Right. That was so hilarious. That one was about, it was a high school teacher, and he was really attractive. Of course, many of the high schoolers had a crush on him. But he was such a gentleman, very respectful. So I pretty much shared from the perspective of my private areas, how she felt about this Mr. Right. And she pretty much sabotaged me in a few situations that I found myself tongue-tied, sweating. So she was pretty much telling me who's really in control, who's really the boss. And it was funny. It had a lot of humor. So I will be making more of these. I have a few other beautiful souls that participated in making their own monologue, and theirs was also very hilarious. So I'm gonna either ask them to do it or I'm going to read it, because some people are kind of still shy. They don't want to like say anything. And most of the time, guys, these are real life stories about real life perspectives about their own experiences. So women are coming together and just sharing, and it's something to relate, because most of us, we don't even realize, like, we take action and don't even consult with our bodies first. We just like, let's just do it, whatever. And then later on we get the blow and the body's like, I told you should have never done it. Like, how many times we did that? Like, you see something looks so good, you want to eat it, and then when you eat it, your stomach is like, get that out of me. So it's the same thing, when it comes to your mate, your partner. Energetically, all of those things are affecting just that, your energy with your body, the energy with your mind, um, even with your spouse, and your spouse coming in and having certain behaviors and attitudes, and then engaging in sexual activity with them with such energies. It really doesn't serve you well. And there's a transfer of energy. Yeah, guys. Yes, guys. Sexual intercourse is a transfer of energy. Yeah. So if your partner had a long day, was frustrated, and both of you guys get together and you had a good time for that moment, then later on you feeling frustrated, angry, disgusted, yeah, you just transferred. You just got transferred. Blah. So it's really important. Your mind is really, really, really important. One thing that I always try to incorporate in situations where you feel that your partner is not really in that right space is give that person space. Like, give that person space, and don't just be quick to jump, because you really get that energy and you don't really want that energy, but it's coming. It's coming, guys. It's coming. It's coming, and we don't really necessarily want it. Bye, guys.